Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a really exciting video, and that is going to be all about this hair grease mixture that I've been using for the past year that I feel like has significantly grown out my hair. So we're gonna get into this video. Rest assured, I will say I did not do a whole plan for this video, so if I'm a little bit all over the place, I do apologize. But yes, we'll get right into it. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the products I actually just restocked a few days ago because I am running out, and I'm going to show you how I make it, how I use it, and some before and after pictures just so that you can compare. But yes, this is my hair. I am type 4. I don't really know which number or letter in the type 4. You can decide for me in the comments, but this is my hair. It's blow dried, and I've had it in like braids for the past 2 days, so it's a little bit stretched, but this is my hair. Yes, we will get into the video. Let's get into this grease mixture. So for this grease mixture, I saw this on social media a while ago, probably about a year ago, when it was trending. I saw it on Pinterest. I'll put a photo somewhere and I'll try and link it in the bio, but essentially there's 3 main ingredients into this hair grease mixture. Some people put 4 or 5, but I typically stick to 3, and the 3 ingredients are Sulfur 8. This is the medicated original formula. Do Grow, I know in the original recipe they would use the blue one, and over the past year I've used the blue one, but they didn't have any at the store, so I had to settle for the pink one. This is the Do Grow hair fertilizer, triple strength for severely damaged hair, but I figured it will work just as well, so I use the Do Grow. And the last ingredient is Jamaican black castor oil. I use the Go Naturals Jamaican black castor oil with sage. I personally really like this one. You can use super authentic Jamaican black castor oil. I've also seen people use wild hair growth oil. Those work well as well. So essentially just mix all of these together and apply it on your hair, on your scalp specifically, and it's supposed to really help increase hair growth. I personally think it really has worked a lot. I also use regular hair grease, specifically the Indian hemp one by Blue Magic. I think that one works really great as well, but this hair mixture, honestly, I really do think it works really well. I apply this hair mixture, I would say, I don't know, it's hard to say. I would say I would apply this probably 2 to 3 times a week if I remember. I also apply it while I have box braids in, so any protective style, I do make sure to apply this to my scalp probably about once a week, and it works really great. I use regular shampoo. Lately I've been using the Herbal Essence Hello Hydration shampoo, which I do believe is sulfate free, but I've also used regular sulfate shampoos, and in my opinion it washes out completely fine. I wash my hair weekly, so if that's something that you're worried about it clogging your pores or anything like that, I do wash my hair pretty consistently, so I have not had that as a problem. But yeah, that's everything. It's honestly super easy. I really don't know the science behind it, but I do think it really works, and I decided to share it with you guys in case you wanted to try it out. But yeah, next I'm going to show you how I make it. Super easy, but let's get into how I make the mixture. So to make the mixture, I start off with a regular container, and I just put all of the ingredients inside the container. I'm just reusing the one that I already had, but I don't really have specific measurements for this. I just do equal parts of every ingredient. So I would do 2 scoops of Sulfur 8, 2 scoops of Do Grow, and a little bit of Jamaican black castor oil, and I just mix it until it's fully combined, and I just repeat the process until the container is completely filled or up to the amount that I want. Until it's a pretty even consistency on the smoother side. But yeah, that's literally it. I would recommend using a plastic spoon for this, but I didn't have any, so I just used regular one until it's smooth, I guess. That's literally it. This is about how much I've made. This is gonna last me for a long time. I still have a little bit of the Do Grow, quite a bit of the Sulfur 8 left, and of course I still have quite a bit of the Jamaican black castor oil left as well. But this is how much I'm gonna make for now. So my hair right now, if you want to see twist out routine, I will have it in the iCards because I actually recently just filmed it. But this is usually when I start to grease my scalp, so I figured I would show you how I use this. It's really not that difficult. It's literally just me greasing my scalp, but I figured people might be interested, so I have my grease mixture here, and I'm literally just gonna take like a pretty decent size amount, and I'm literally just gonna grease my scalp. And I just go down. And as I twist my hair, I like go in and do the parts and grease it, but I think I might show you guys that now. So I did all 4, and then since we are already on camera, I'll show you the rest. It's not difficult. So I just split the section in half. And grease that. I also apply this right after I finish my wash day, but I didn't wash my hair this week, so. That's literally it. That's literally all I do. Works amazing, and it's kind of like a little, gives you a bit of a tingly feeling, which feels pretty good. And then I just go ahead and twist my hair, and when I twist it, I'll just like go in and grease it a little bit more. Oh, I forgot actually, I also like to do my edges because you always want to have moisturized edges. So I put a little bit, that's a lot, on my edges. I guess it is kind of going on my hair, but back, sides, just like that. And that's it. So I will shoot you over to the outro. So before we get into the intro, I want to show you guys my before and after pictures. So this is my hair probably a year ago. This is around the time I started actually using the hair mixture, and this is my hair after. These are current and recent pictures of my hair so far, so I really do think it has helped my hair growth, among other things, but this was the main thing that I used pretty consistently. So that is the end of my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this grease mixture before, or if you're going to after this video. I'd really love to hear your results and how it turned out. But if you'd like more hair content from me or other content, be sure to subscribe to this channel, and as well follow me on all my social medias, including Instagram in the bio, as well as my Pinterest. I will also link it in the bio as well. But with all that being said, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.